While new grills and kimono-style suede are all well and good, the upgrade that has us most excited can be found under the hood. New for 2018, North American buyers now get the option for a SkyActiv G2.5-liter engine stuffed by a single turbocharger. It's the same engine found in the CX-9 crossover, making the 2018 Mazda6 the second application for the power plant. Standout features include a dynamic pressure turbo, which uses a smaller inlet for quicker spool at low RPM and a larger secondary inlet for more power higher in the rev range. There's also a pulse scavenging 431 exhaust manifold for easier flow, and cooled exhaust gas recirculation that works to reduce combustion temperatures and knock threshold. All told, the turbo Mazda6 makes torque levels on par with a 4.0-liter V8, or 310 pound-feet, to be exact. Peak torque arrives at just 2,000 revolutions per minute, which means the fastest 6 should feel pretty damn impressive around town. Horsepower comes to 250 horses when running 93-octane fuel. Go for the cheap stuff, and peak power drops to 227 horses. Routing the muscle to the front axle is a 6-speed automatic transmission, the only gearbox available for models equipped with 2.5-liter turbocharged engine. Alongside the boosted power plant, Mazda is also offering a more efficient variant with direct injection and all-atmosphere aspiration. As a carryover from the previous model year, the 2018's NA engine sees the not-so-unsubstantial upgrade of cylinder deactivation, switching from 4 to 2 cylinders when cruising to save on the explody juice. It's a rather unique feature for a 4-banger model, shutting down the 2 outside cylinders when cruising between 25 miles per hour and 50 miles per hour, keeping those MPG figures as high as possible without resorting to boost to make power when asked. FWD is once again standard, driven by a 6-speed SkyActiv drive automatic transmission. Standout features include a centrifugal pendulum in the torque converter that helps to balance out vibrations made when running on just 2 cylinders and smoothing the transition when kicking it back over to full 4-cylinder power. Buyers also have the option for a 6-speed manual if rowing your own isn't an issue, or indeed preferred.